Hey Drone Nerds, it's Matt. I'm here with Ian from Drone Deploy. Ian, how are you today?
Pleasure, I'm doing well. How are you?
Good, good. Very nice to meet you. Tell me a little bit about Drone Deploy. What type of solutions do you guys offer?
Yeah, so Drone Deploy is a software solution, and we're a complete reality capture platform. We automate capture from drones and ground sensors to create digital twins of our clients' projects and job sites.
And who is your typical client? What type of industries do you guys cater to?
Absolutely, so we're completely horizontal platform across multiple industries. We service construction, AEC, agriculture, oil and gas, renewables like solar and wind, and a variety of other industries as well.
So you guys have complete verticals on, from start to finish. You do the flight mission planning, the processing, everything. Talk to me about how important is that for someone who maybe doesn't know everything about it to just ease of access using Drone Deploy?
Yeah, absolutely. So Drone Deploy being a comprehensive platform, automating flight all the way to data processing and insight, really important because it's all within one software, so it's easily digestible and easy to collaborate on. Again, we're a cloud-based software, so you just, anywhere with an internet connection, you can access your drone data, and it's easy to collaborate on.
And talk to me about your guys' roadmap. Is there any kind of tidbits you can give me of stuff you guys are working on?
Yeah, absolutely. So we're integrating more with different types of sensors, ground sensors, stationary cameras, the methane, LiDAR, and we're also integrating with AI. So for automated work detection and inspection or automated counting, we're integrating with AI as well.
That's super cool. So talk to me about the future of the industry. You touched a little bit about AI.
Yeah.
It seems like they go hand in hand with the drone industry. And
Yeah.
how do you see that coming out in the next few years? Where's the future?
Yeah, so we're seeing a lot of technology innovation around the box. So automation from a drone in a box, being able to just have the drone on your job site and fly it with essentially no pilot. And we're seeing a lot of customers adopt that box, fly their sites, and then integrate with different AI algorithms to do automated detection without even having people at their site. Some of these sites are very remote or in harsh conditions, and having the human kind of out of the loop to collect the data, it increases safety and increases insight.
I don't know, we love working with you guys at Drone Nerds. What's a couple things that you guys like working with us?
Yeah, we love that we can partner with you guys to get the best type of hardware into our customers' hands. Like Mavic 3 Enterprise, we have some bundles with you guys, bundles on 360 cameras, just getting the best type of hardware into our customers' hands so they can generate the best insights possible. It's been great for us.
Cool. Well, thanks for your time.
Hey, pleasure.
Appreciate that a lot.
Thanks, no problem.